Hey, it's Dan McDonald and I'm the Life Regenerator here on YouTube, and today I'm gonna make a little snack. I've had some requests for recipes. I don't do recipes a lot. I really like the simple eating. It's been working for me, but today I'm gonna make a nice recipe. This is gonna be my dinner, so check it out. I got some soaked sunflower seeds. It would be a black bean dip if I had some black cumin seeds, which I could not find. I do have some black sesame seeds, but they didn't sprout, so I'm going to assume that they are no longer alive. So I'm just going to leave those out. So this was the black bean spread. I had a few requests for that, but it's really actually just going to be a sunflower pate. So I'm going to drain these sunflower seeds. Sunflower seeds take about 6 to 8 hours to soak and sprout. They're the fastest soaking seed is the sunflower seed. They really sprout quickly. Almonds take more like 12 to 24 really. So the sunflower seeds are kind of convenient in that way. So these are really good sunflower seeds because the faster that the sunflower seed sprouts a tail, with these I've noticed they're very vital. So the tail comes out, it starts coming out, and they start opening up just a few hours after being soaked. So that's a very good sign of the vitality of the seed or nut. So I'm just going to do that there. And then I'm just going to add a little bit of cumin here for some flavor. And the thing is, with this sunflower seed pate, which is one of the most inexpensive and easy seeds to use, you could definitely add all kinds of great stuff to this to go in a million different directions. I like it super simple, but some garlic would be good in there, some chives, dill, cilantro, anything. The list just goes on and on forever. So the sunflower seeds are very versatile. You could add some zucchini and make like a bread in your dehydrator, or I used to make sunflower and zucchini pizza crust or crackers. It's unlimited. That sunflower seeds are great because they're usually like $2-3 a pound, and so you get a lot of bang for your buck. So let's pulverize these. Bop this little thing. I'm getting it all together here. Slowly but surely, I'm getting my kitchen together and a few other things. If you wanted, what I'm going to do is I'm going to add avocado to the burrito. I should have told you that in the beginning, but I'm just going to add, you can add the avocado, like half of an avocado, and make this a little bit creamier. And one thing I do like to do that really makes it more like a black bean and super healthy is to find the black cumin seeds and soak and sprout those, then add them to there. But couldn't find any of those. You gotta order those online. One of the oldest, most well-known medicinal seeds is the black cumin seed. I'm just going super simple today. So I'm going to, that's the pate now. I've got my little, these are coconut wraps. Just one ingredient, coconut. So very clean. So, and then they come in these little, and they just smell good, and they're really also very versatile, and they make really great wraps. So here's my plate. I don't really have any plates yet. So I'm going to add a little bit of this pate to the bottom. I'll probably take some pictures for Instagram or maybe even for a video still if I get that creative. I've been working on my video stills, but I suck. Everyone's like, don't put yourself down. I was like, I've been trying, believe me, to make thumbnails and stuff like all these pros. And it's like, because they're things like pop, you know. My content, once you get in, is pretty cool-ish, you know, not edited or anything like that, but the video stills, I can't quite seem to get those. So Natea said, next time you need a video still for a video you want to be more viewed, let me know and I'll put one together, because she does marketing. So what I'm going to do is take some lettuce, some nice red leaf lettuce today, and I'm just going to make some... I'll show you the finished product here at the end. I'll let you kind of watch me go here. A little bit of lettuce and some cilantro. I'm just going to make one for the video, and then I'll probably use this whole stack of 5. Comes in these Nuco, N-U-C-O coconut wraps. And this is turmeric. They have plain, turmeric, and moringa. 3 different types. They're my favorite. Really, really tasty and delicious. And I'm going to throw some tomatoes on there. And so this was nice and easy. Just simple stuff, man. Simple, plain food is the best. Simple, plain, bland food for the yogis or for the people who want to just get off the goddamn food trip train. It's already enough of a trip, you know, but once you can get your taste buds and you can, you know, sort of, you know, contain your taste buds and your food trip, you can, it's a lot better, because then you're just more on an even keel. Food can become like a drug easily, and believe me, I know, we all know. Who doesn't know? Like, you're like, Dan, tell me something we don't know. You know, food is the trippiest trip of all trips, you know. And but it's, if you get it dialed in and you eat moderately and you eat clean, bland, plain, wholesome, nutritious food, it can be a real blessing to your life, you know. And you don't want to attack yourself or you know, put yourself down or anything like that, but just, you know, to set some goals as far as like getting your appetite under control, so you can either lose the weight or get rid of the diseases or whatever. So that's looking pretty good. And finally, last but not least, so that's just a couple slices of the avo, obviously. And next is some micro broccoli, man, some microgreens. Any kind of sprouts on this would be great, but this is just like a uber simple, basic recipe. I won't put too many. It's almost Instagram worthy as it is. Oh, I forgot one final ingredient. There's a reason why I like the purple cabbage, just because it's so visually stunning. So let's add some a little bit of the purple cabbage, just some very thin slices, and then I will, oh, that's kind of Instagram worthy as it is. True that. Oh, look at it, look at it. Okay, I'm going to show you, and then there you go. So I'm trying to keep these videos a little shorter in respect of everyone's time, but some basic wholesome foods, delicious. I'm going to make a few more of these bad boys and sit down and relax. Let's see if we can, without ruining our, without ruining our display. Too late. Here we go. Can you see it? Doing the best I can here. Hold on, DT. I'm getting real creative now. There you go. Alrighty. Ladies and gentlemen, thank you very much. I guess that's good enough. Peace be with you. God bless you. Thanks for a thumbs up and a subscription and all that good stuff. And I'll see you on the next video. We'll keep this video marathon going. All right, video marathon going. Video marathon going. Adios.